Good morning, students. Now this video is for class 9th. Chapter 2nd we are continuing, and today's topic is distillation, and this is the 6th part. Okay, students, this is the 6th part. Now today's topic is, students, distillation, right? So in page number 21, how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquids? Okay, how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquids? Miscible liquids are those liquids which can dissolve with each other, right, students? So in activity 2.8 it is given that how to separate the mixture of two miscible liquids, right? So we have taken this I have made this apparatus for you, right? So I can explain this what is the apparatus, right? So this is the clamp stand, friends. Okay, this is the clamp stand where we have to, this is at this clamp stand is there so that this conical flask is attached, right? And below the conical flask, or we will say the distillation flask also. Okay, this we will say the distillation flask, right? We will say the distillation flask also, and in this distillation flask is connected to the water condenser, and here I have kept one another beaker so that the collection of alcohol is there. So what we can do, first step is that arrange the apparatus as shown this, right? And now what happens, by supplying the heat, okay, by supplying the heat, we are taking the mixture of acetone and water. Okay, friends. Now this we have after supplying the heat, and here is thermometer is attached in the conical flask. The acetone vaporizes. Okay, acetone vaporizes and condenses in the condenser and can be collected in another beaker, right? The water can evaporates and acetone is collected in another beaker by passing in a tube, this tube-like structure, that is the water condenser, right? This tube-like structure, that is the water condenser, by passing here, right? So the constituents of two miscible liquids can be separated by this distillation. When the mixture, most important point is that basic principle, right? What is the basic principle? How can we separate, right? The basic principle, students, in a simple distillation is that there is a difference in their boiling points, right? Difference in their boiling points. So what is the difference of acetone? Acetone boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees centigrade, so that it can vaporize, right? And water can boil at, that is 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, friends. So this we can this method, this all apparatus, we can see that how to separate the two miscible liquids. Like the principle, you can understand this. Okay, so this is about the simple distillation, right? Now in next video I will explain about the fractional distillation. Okay, fractional distillation. So this you have to just go through this experiment. And students, what is the basic principle and how can we arrange this, right? So this method, how can we arrange, and what is the work of the distillation flask, which mixtures we have taken, right? So this you can just go through all these points, whatever I have told you. right? And now in next turn I will explain you about the fractional distillation, right? So common difference between the distillation and the fractional distillation is that there is a it is very similar to the simple distillation, only the difference is that in between the distillation flask and the condenser, right, in between the distillation flask and the condenser there is a fractionating column is there, right? So we can use that I will explain you in the next video. Okay students, thank you so much to all of you.